So this is 60 frames per second, rough sample from Galaxy S9 Plus. See, the stabilization, is it good and it's not good. Holding the camera with my hand. Now let's stop for a little bit. Let's see, let's do the zoom. It's 1.8, 2.8, 4.8, 8.1. Oh, that's nice. And 10 times the zoom. 6 times, 4 times, 2.5 times, and now 0. Okay, let's go. Let's see how quick is the focus. Oh, it's insanely quick. That is just insane. Especially it's in 60 frames per second. So the previous models has a lot of trouble with focus in 60 frames per second in full HD. Now it's very, very fast, extremely fast. Let's see the macro mode. Ooh, that is disgusting. But look how close I can get. I can get very, very close, and it's disgusting. Let's do something else. I can do it insanely close. Okay. So. Yoppa. Let's run a little bit. And even faster. Okay. It's looking nice. It's looking very stable on the phone screen. I don't know how it looks on the big screen, like a TV or PC monitor. Slow down a little bit. Very stable. I like it. Okay, I think that's it. It was just a test for the Galaxy S9 Plus stabilization and video quality. It's almost dark. The sun is probably half an hour to... I mean, the sun is gone. There's no sun here. Somewhere out there. Anyway, sorry for my language. The English is not my first language. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.